The Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel is designed primarily for Xbox consoles, but it can be used on a PC with the appropriate configuration. This tutorial outlines several methods to connect and configure the wheel for PC gaming. Method 1. Direct USB connection. Begin by plugging the USB cable from the racing wheel into your PC. Windows may detect the device as a generic game controller. Launch a game, particularly titles from the Microsoft Store, such as Forza Horizon or Forza Motorsport. These games sometimes recognize the wheel automatically because they utilize Xbox-compatible drivers. If successful, the wheel will function similarly to a standard Xbox controller. Method 2. Using X360CE Xbox 360 controller emulator. If the wheel is not recognized natively, a tool called X360CE can be used. This software emulates an Xbox 360 controller, allowing the wheel to work in games that support Xbox controllers. Download and install X360CE, then open the program. Within the interface, map the steering wheel, pedals, and buttons to correspond with an Xbox controller layout. Save the configuration, then launch your game. Many PC games include built-in support for Xbox controllers, making this method effective for a wide range of titles. Method 3. Xbox Wheel Compatibility Tool. A community-developed solution. The Xbox Wheel Compatibility Tool is often the most reliable option. Do not connect the wheel to the PC before running this tool. Download the latest installer from its GitHub repository and run it. Wait for a confirmation message indicating successful installation. After that, connect the pedals to the wheel, then plug the wheel into the PC. The tool should enable proper functionality. Important considerations. Using third-party tools such as X360CE or compatibility tools carries some risk. Certain gaming platforms may detect these tools as suspicious, particularly in multiplayer environments. This can result in account warnings or bans. It is advisable to use these methods in offline mode or to avoid them entirely for online multiplayer games. The Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel can be used on PC through direct USB connection, emulation software, or community-developed compatibility tools. Each method offers different levels of reliability and compatibility, and users should exercise caution when using third-party software in online gaming contexts.